Chrome parts on a car make it look shiny and stylish. But over time, chrome can get rusty and dull, especially if the car is often outside in the rain or snow. Thankfully, there are many simple ways to remove rust and bring back that shiny look. Coke helps remove rust and makes chrome shiny again. It is a cheap and easy way using things you already have at home. Pour some Coke on the affected area and scrub it with aluminum foil. You'll see it start cleaning the car's chrome bumper. Wipe it with a cloth, and the rust will be removed from the area. Aluminum foil removes rust without harming the chrome. It helps make the chrome shiny again when you scrub with it. Take some water in a bowl and a piece of aluminum foil. Dip it in water, and rub it gently over the rusty chrome area. The foil is soft and will not scratch the chrome, but it is tough enough to remove the rust. The water helps to keep things smooth. After rubbing for a few minutes, wipe the area with a clean cloth. You will notice the rust starts to disappear, and the chrome becomes shiny again. Glass cleaner helps remove dirt and grime from chrome. It also restores shine and makes the surface look clean. Firstly, take a steel wool pad and scrub the dry pad on chrome engine part. Then, spray some glass cleaner and water solution onto the chrome part and scrub the area with the pad. You will see all the rust are removing from the surface. Spray some more solution and continue your scrubbing. Clean the surface with a microfiber cloth and the area will look like new. Apply the same process for other part and you will get amazing results. Soapy water helps remove dirt and grime, making chrome clean and ready for further treatment. Firstly, clean the car's chrome wheel with a sponge dipped in soapy water. This will remove all the dust, dirt, and grime from the surface. Use a brush to scrub the wheel and clean it with a damp microfiber towel. Next, take a wheel foaming cleaner and apply it to the chrome wheel. Scrub the wheel with a brush to remove all the rust. Spray another coat of cleaner and let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. Wipe it again with a clean towel. If there is any remaining rust or dirt, apply some metal polish to a steel wool pad. Scrub the pad on the chrome surface and clean the surface with a microfiber cloth. This method will give you a clean and shiny chrome surface. And it will make your car looking like new again. By using these easy methods, you can make your car's chrome parts look shiny and new again, enhancing its overall sleek, polished, and attractive appearance.